Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix MariaDB SkySQL login problems, account and access errors step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you are entering the correct login credentials. Check the username for any typos or errors. Verify that the password is entered accurately, as it is case sensitive. Make sure that you are connecting to the correct server or database instance. If you are using a specific hostname, double-check that it is entered correctly. Confirm that the MariaDB SkySQL service is up and running. If you have recently changed your password, attempt logging in with the updated credentials. Review the permissions associated with your user account. Ensure that your account has access to the specific database you are trying to reach. Check for any network issues that might be preventing a successful connection. Test access using a different network or device if possible. Look into any firewall settings that could be blocking the connection. If you receive a specific error message, investigate that message for more details. Consider resetting your password if login attempts continue to fail. Find and follow the password reset instructions provided by MariaDB SkySQL. If issues persist, consult the MariaDB SkySQL documentation for troubleshooting resources. Reach out to customer support for additional assistance if needed. Keep records of any error codes or relevant messages when contacting support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.